quite muddy and boggy at the start, especially this time. Pretty good. Great views of South Farm and North Farm. The Kana Peak is over there. Beautiful view. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. Of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. We got Mount Mueller over there, Lightning Ridge, Mount Sarah Jane and Mount Eliza over the back there. Panning across, over the back you've got Mount Orion, basically the Western Halfers over the back there. So panning across, that big one just right in front there's Mount Wedge, and then you've got Lake Pedder over the back there, and Mount Sprint. We've got Mountfield West, Mount Lord, Tim Shea, Florentine Peak, and Tyana Peak on this side. Got a clear hill, North Farm, South Farm, Mount Sorrel on this side. It's a really good reward for 1 hour walking, really. Yeah, they're all, each peak's you know, they make you work for it. The Needles in South West Tasmania, absolutely magic. Took us exactly an hour to get up to the top, and probably an hour to get back. I think so. Pretty wet and muddy, but hey, we've been blessed with good weather. It's cleared up, a little bit windy but cold, but yeah, can still see all the peaks around me. So yeah, Lisa and I enjoyed this thoroughly, and yeah, we're going to see if we can take one peak tomorrow. We haven't decided which one yet. We're thinking Mount Wedge. Possibly. We might see you there. Alright, see you in the next video.